Introducing the Brooder EXP8. Designed to thrive in all environments, it writes the next chapter in pioneering capability, luxury and off-grid sustainability. From a casual glance to the scrutiny of detail, each individual piece of the EXP8 is carefully thought out and engineered to last. A lifetime of off-road experience is built into the EXP8's DNA. Every dimension is scrutinised to allow for maximum space, but specifically built to fit into those idyllic locations and areas that a traditional caravan could only dream of going. With the press of a button from the comfort of your vehicle, the suspension can even lower or lean the body away from overhanging tree branches. The Brooder patented suspension system has 12 inches of wheel travel. That's nearly 3 times more wheel travel than any dual-axle off-road caravan. But this isn't an off-road caravan. Lightweight but immensely strong, it has unrivaled insulation values and is designed for serious off-road use. Both the suspension and chassis engineered to withstand over 5 times the maximum weight of the EXP8. The chassis is also fully sealed so no off-road debris can get trapped within. There's also a discreetly mounted recovery winch and, mandatory for dusty conditions, a front-mounted filtration unit which keeps the interior pressurised during dusty travel. With 1600 watt of solar and a 48 volt system which can have over 30 kilowatt hour of lithium battery power banks, the EXP8 could be used to run a household, and with an eye on the future, provide a power source for charging the electric vehicle that might be towing it. The state-of-the-art electrical system provides sustainable, reliable off-grid living. The Brooder touchpad allows for portable control. Practicality is a hallmark of the design. With the press of a button, the EXP8 lowers for easy access. Depths deploy, and your mood can even be matched with your chosen light colour internally and externally. There's huge exterior storage areas for bulky items and an abundance of clever storage internally, including handcrafted robes, shelves and lockers. Toughness and capability is at the EXP8's core, but its interior embraces the essence of adventure without sacrificing luxury and sophistication. Practical touches and innovations can be found throughout, and the interior provides an incredible link to the outdoors with views all around you, allowing you to still feel connected with the environment. Enjoy natural lighting, remarkable ventilation, but still feel insulated and protected from the heat and cold. The master bed also has windows all around you, so you can enjoy the stars at night, be it in the Australian outback, or off the spills of an adventurous day, be it your snowy boots, or perhaps a quick washdown from a summer beach swim before entering the luxury interior. Supremely capable and truly off-grid, the EXP8 represents the perfect harmony between modern systems and technology, interacting with human craftsmanship and a lifetime of off-road travel experience. Proudly Australian-made, designed and manufactured, it's the pure passion and patented designs that make the Brooder EXP8 like no other. For more information, visit brooderx.com.